If you drink lemonade for 7 days in a row, come and try it. What happens to your body? On the first day, your digestive system will be working fine, and lemon water will help reduce bloating, promote smooth digestion, and even enhance nutrient absorption. The next day, the detoxification effects of lemon water begin to show, helping to remove harmful toxins and promoting clearer, healthier skin. On the third day, your metabolism will get a boost, which may increase calorie consumption and help manage weight. On the fourth day, lemon water helps maintain the body's water balance and ensures that the body is in a good state of hydration. On the fifth day, vitamin C in lemons increases, boosting energy levels and boosting the immune system. On the sixth day, the protective effects of vitamin C further strengthen the immune system, and you will feel more focused and think more clearly. On the seventh day, due to adequate hydration and necessary nutrient intake, you will feel increased energy, brighter skin, and brighter eyes.